Exercise 5.1 question number 1. Now we have to start the question number 2. In question number 2, the shopper who came to department store are marked as man, woman, boy and girl. So the following gives the shopper who came during. We just have to make a frequency distribution table. We also make a bar graph. Okay. So this is how you have to make the distribution frequency distribution table. Okay, so Kenna?
Yes, ma'am.
So the shoppers are women, men, boys and girls. I didn't write the tally marks. You have to show that your tally marks in your screen. Okay, so the numbers of the number are 28, 15, 5 and 12. Show the first question tally marks onto the screen. Question number 1, tally marks. Question number 2, tally marks. Here's question number 2, table of tally marks. Okay, that is the question number 2, tally mark. First one is men are 28, Sukena. Women are 28, men are 15, boys are 5 and girls are 12. 17, 12. Yes, very good. And then tally marks is done. Okay, very good. And where is the bar graph? Where have you draw your bar graph? This is my bar graph and you have to show your bar graph. Very good. Men, women, boys and girls. Very good. Very good. So the next question. Question number 3. The weekly wages of 30 workers in a factory are this. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with intervals. Now show me your table of question number 3. And the mine table is here. This one. Yes, I didn't write the tally marks. I just write the intervals and I just wrote the frequency distribution. Show your table a little bit closer to the screen. And the first one is, make sure that you have corrected. That is not the front page, okay? Hold the copy properly. No, no, that is a blank page. A little bit closer. Why you are seeing the computer? Just put near the camera. A little bit right side, down. Now that is exactly position. So 3, 2, 1, 9, 5, 1, 3, 1, 1 and 4. And why there are so mistakes? Why there is cutting?
And that's because.
And then the tally marks. Then the tally marks should be that the 3 tally marks are 1, 2, and then 3 and so on. You have to draw the tally marks. Is it?
Yeah.
And then I continue this table on this page, next page. Okay, with the tally marks. And this is a question number 3. And the question number 4 is related to the 3. Okay, I will read the question. You have to tell me the answer, Sukena. Question number 4. Draw a histogram for the frequency from the previous table. Which group has the maximum number of workers?
Okay.
Tell me the answer.
830 to 840.
Yes, 830 to 840 is the group which has the maximum number of workers. Okay?
Yeah.
And the next question is, how many workers earn 850 and more?
10.
How many? The workers who earn more than 850 are number of workers who fall in the group of 850 to 860, 860 to 870, 870 to 880, 880 to 890. Hence the total number of workers earning more than 850 will be the sum of the number of all these workers. 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 will become 10 on the 10. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you think about the less than 850? That are 20 workers. Less than 850, the range will be 800, 10, 810, 820, 820, 830, 830, 840, 840, 850 and then only 20 workers. Got it?
Yep.
And now the first part. For how many hours, by looking at this graph, we have to tell that for how many hours did the maximum number of students watch the TV?
Okay, ma'am.
For how many hours?
4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours. And the students are there at the range is 32. 32. We can look at here. 32 is the maximum and the maximum interval is 4 to 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the next question is the students who watch TV for less than 4 hours. Less than, then 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. 4 plus 8 plus 22. That are total 34. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
And this is the next part, which is it. The students who watch TV for more than 5 hours. More than 5. 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Then 8, 6, 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, na? 14 students. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, did you understood and get the whole idea of the exercise 5.1, so Kenna?
Yeah, ma'am, I understood.
And do you have any question, any query?
No, ma'am.
When we understood each and everything in daily lecture, what we call that day, we said that so far so good. Okay, what we say? Yeah, so far so good is the thing that you understand each and everything with a very good understanding level. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.